Alright, so this is going to be a video showing you how you can pour from an external faucet using a jumper box. Now we have our jumper box here. It's got coils on the inside. We've got our input shanks that your beverage will be running into, and then through the coils, and then out these shanks. And then from these shanks, you would be running a shank jumper, or you could run a shank jumper if you like. And this is a line we recommend keeping as short as possible, and it's insulated. Both of those are to diminish any temperature changes that might happen once the beverage has already left the box. Now these lines will be going to a wall kit. Now these wall kits we offer in different lengths, so these shanks can come in anywhere from 6 inches to 2 inches depending on your needs, mostly like the width of your wall, stuff like that. And the way this works is you just attach a faucet onto the shanks, and then you're good to pour once you've attached that to a wall. And if you need a bit to get the right hole sizes for that, we offer this 1-inch spade bit for that. Now, alternatively to all of this, we offer these draft set towers, and these have little holes and apparatus that you can use to put it onto a table or something like this once it has a hole like this in it, and you just put the hoses through there, and then once you've got that done, you can just attach these ends to the shanks right there, and then you'll be good to pour from this external faucet. Now, if you are looking for something to help you hook up this entire side of the jockey or jumper box to a keg or anything like that, I have another video showing you how to do that, and it'll be linked somewhere on the screen right now. But that's how you pour from an external faucet.